Okay guys, let's jump right in. And so what you're going to need to complete the project of the matching headband to the infant tutu that we made last year is a measuring tape, some tulle, and this tulle is about 7 inches wide and 3 feet long. Now it can be longer or wider. I'm actually going to cut this down a little bit. It just depends on how big you want your bow. It's going to end up going on top of this real soft elastic, which is about 14 inches. This also depends on how big you want the headband. So if you wanted to make this for a larger child, then obviously you would need more. This is for infant. You're going to need ribbon to match the tutu, any kind that you want. This is wired ribbon. It's the easiest to work with. This long ribbon right here is 2 feet long, and then you're going to need a 6-inch piece of the same ribbon, or you can even use string, because this is what we're using to attach to this. Now what I did here though is I did cut the metal edges off. You're also going to need a hot glue gun, and then if you want just a little embellishment. I already pre-cut my tulle, and so this is all I do is I just bunch it together just like this. Bunch it up. Now some of the other ones that I made I actually folded over, but this one we're just going to bunch it up. This is the most easiest actually. It doesn't have to be fancy that way. It's just easier for y'all to do, and me too. Okay, so when you're done you'll have just a bunch of tulle, but it's all attached, you know, bunched together. Now take your piece of ribbon or string, tie it in the center of the gathered tulle. Tie it really good and tight. Okay, now this is what we ended up with, okay? Now if you want to double tie this, might be a good idea also. And then you're just going to trim off those edges right here. Now we're going to put a bow on top of this as well. Now you see how this is uneven? See, it's uneven on both sides, but that's okay because we're going to trim it down. So this is what we have so far. So simple. Now I'm taking this long 2-foot piece and I'm folding it over about 4 inches, and because this is wired I'm kind of crimping it as I go, and just keep folding it over just like this until you reach the end. There you go. And we're gonna pinch it right there. And we're going to be creating a bow that we're going to be putting on top of this bow. I went ahead and grabbed another piece of this ribbon and took the sides off. But when you do your folding of this, if you want to, you can just notch it in the center, and that is where we can tie it off. And it just gives it a little bit more fluff when you do that. And don't worry about the notches, you're not going to see them when we're finished. Now it looks kind of funny right now, but that's okay, because we're going to attach everything together, and then we'll be able to bring these out and fluff them and everything else. So the next step is to attach this one to the center of this one, just like this. Okay, and that's where the hot glue comes in. So we'll go ahead and just put some hot glue on here. Set this down here, give it a good push because you want to make sure it stays. Okay, now the next step is to fluff up both sides of your ribbon bow, which you see I've already done this side. So you can just pull these apart a little bit and just stick your finger in there and just fluff it up. just like that. Okay, so that's what we have. The next step is the embellishment, and this is what I have chosen. And I will just hot glue this on here. Okay, so now that this is done, you can just trim off any excess. Now the next step is you want to make these even. So just kind of hold them up and just straighten them out. See, that's much better. You see the difference between the two sides. So we'll go ahead and do this side now. Okay, the last step is to just attach it to the headband. So you're gonna glue the headband to this, and obviously you want it to go this way. So just kind of find your center and just add a little dot of hot glue. Push that down there. Make sure that you push it down enough to where it will adhere to the bow itself. And there you have it. It's all done. Isn't that pretty? And like I said, you can take these and sew them together right here so that you can wrap it around the baby's head. But now, look how good that turned out. So you've got, there you go. So guys, there you have it. Very easy project. I had a lot of fun doing it and sharing it with you today. And I really appreciate you being here. And until next time, we'll see you later.